Yes, it's true our son doesn't come round anymore. We never get to see him. And I do worry sometimes that we're the only ones who really understand and all. But we're grateful, of course. Grateful for his transformation.
Which is a better word for it. We don't like the use of the word miracle one bit. He simply got well. That's the extent of it. And his mother and I have never given up the faith through all the years. Not once.
We just hope he's happy. It does seem he's becoming all the rage today, doesn't it?
Those of us who've known my cousin a long time, his friends from before, like, we're providing the necessary protection. So as far as family relations are concerned, all I'm saying is he's been very good to me. Very good. And I, for one, am glad I can be of some assistance. I believed in him right from the very beginning, from the very start. I know what it was like. I was there.